Let's take a look at that question everyone's been wondering about. Artificial intelligence hasn't taken over the world, but it has already learned you. It knows what you watch, what you think, even who you trust, because it's no longer just a program. It's your digital shadow. Without realizing it, we tell it everything through our likes, our search history, our voice, our photos, and every second it learns a little more about us. Artificial intelligence isn't really a miracle. It's an experiment humanity built to understand its own mind. Just like a baby learns by observing the world, AI learns through data. We show it millions of examples, faces, voices, words, behaviors, and it learns a little from each one. Eventually, it can say, this is a cat, this is a face, this is danger. But knowing is different from understanding. It only draws statistical conclusions. It doesn't understand. We decide with emotion and intuition, but it only thinks with numbers. At the heart of AI lies learning, what we call machine learning. You give the system a task, classify this image, recognize this voice, make this prediction. It finds patterns in the data. With every mistake, it improves a little more. Then comes the next step, deep learning. We build artificial layers, like the neurons in our brain. Each layer represents a level of meaning. The first detects edges, the second shapes, the third a face, and finally it says, this is a human. But we don't really know what's behind that decision. That's why we call AI a black box. We can't see what's inside, only the result. So when an AI makes a mistake one day, who will be responsible? The engineer who wrote the code, the company that provided the data, or the algorithm that made the decision on its own? Even today, we don't fully know, and that may be one of the most critical questions of the future. We often think AI is just a technical issue, but it's actually a moral test, because it learns whatever we teach it. Justice, bias, love, hatred, all come from us. If you want to make an AI unbiased, you must first make humans unbiased. But is that even possible? Data is AI's fuel. The more data it has, the stronger it becomes. But within that data lie the mistakes of the past, wrong decisions, prejudices, discrimination. If a facial recognition system identifies some races less accurately, that's no coincidence, because the truth it sees depends on who provided the data. Training AI is in fact teaching it human history, and history has never been fair. That's why ethics isn't just a philosophical topic, it's a necessity. The only way to build good AI is to start with good human intention. AI can now make decisions. Who gets hired, what news you see, even who survives in a car crash. But the responsibility must still belong to us, because inside its decisions, there's no conscience, no guilt, no regret. It acts only according to data. If we fully surrender to a system's decisions, it's humanity that loses control. Technology should support us, not replace us. Today, we talk to models like ChatGPT. We ask questions, write stories, generate images. Machines no longer just compute, they create. But remember, they don't understand. They only act as if they do. And for most of us, that's enough, because humans don't need to be understood. They just want to feel understood. That's where the magic of AI lies. It doesn't deceive us. It reflects us. It shows us our intelligence and our flaws. We can't make AI moral, but we can create AI as moral humans. That sentence sums up everything, because this technology was born from our imagination, curiosity, and fear. Its future depends on our character. AI won't destroy humanity, but if humanity forgets its own values, then the real danger begins. AI isn't a threat, it's an invitation. An invitation to a more conscious, more just, and more human future. But that future won't be written by code. It will be written by us. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments.